Well, ahoy there, mateys! Oh, wow! It's hooked, yes! How do we get our young language students really hooked on learning English, really switched on, really excited about it? It's a tricky one, isn't it? Well, 4 elements that are useful to use and keep and practice in the classroom are these. 1, elements of surprise. Oh, yes! What's inside? I don't know. I'm going to tell you in a moment. So that's number 1. Elements of surprise in the classroom really help avoid boredom, avoid children getting bored and the lesson becoming too predictable. Number 2, movement and action. Yes, everybody get up on your feet now, yes. Okay, movement and action really help avoid children being seated for long periods of time. That's another thing that switches children off from learning. So getting them active on their feet, moving around. Number 3 is using drama and play to really motivate students to learn language and to practice language in a natural and fun way. Instead of maybe drilling a lot with students and then learning in a bit more of a mechanical way. We want the children to be learning in a natural and fun way, and drama and play can really help that. And number 4, getting students working as a group, as a team, collaborating together. It really does help avoid children feeling intimidated by and apprehensive about being tested or judged in English, which can really close them up a lot. So we want to open their shells and start getting them to speak a lot. So what can we do? What exercises, what activities can we do that incorporates all 4 of these elements? Well, I'm going to show you right now a really quick and easy activity. Hello, I'm Miranda and I teach young children English as a second language through drama. And this is a really quick and easy activity that you can do in your classroom straight away. Okay, now you don't need a silly hat on, like me, but you do need a mystery box, because in the mystery box, there is a surprise. Oh my goodness me. Now, first of all, you're going to put a surprise in the box. I'm going to show you later on what kind of surprise you can put in the box. You're going to split your students into 2 teams. So one team you're going to have spread out in a line at one side of the room, facing the mystery box. You're going to be standing in the middle of the room with your mystery box in your hands. You're going to have the other team on the other side of the room facing the mystery box. They're all in 2 lines facing the mystery box, okay? So quite a distance away from you. Then you're going to have some flashcards. Now here, I have some flashcards with, for example, an action verb. Here we have sing. So you're going to have your students ask you the question, what are you doing? So we're going to practice the present continuous. Yes, what are you doing? And to help them get into the rhythm of that phrase, because it's not easy. What are you doing? Get them into a rhythm. What are you doing? Yes, what are you doing? You're going to show them, both teams, the flashcard. They can see what it is. The first team to put their hand up, one person in the team puts their hand up, the first person, you're going to say, yes, what are you doing? And they say, you are singing. Oh, well done. Fantastic. Whole team, 1 step forward. So they make 1 step closer to the box. Great. Oh my goodness, surprise. Then you go on to the next flashcard. You get them to repeat the phrase again, the question, what are you doing? And what are they doing? First hand up. First hand up. Oh, this team. Yes, what is it? You are dancing. So you're going to encourage that team, the teams, to say the phrase you are, and the action verb, dancing. Well done, fantastic. 1 step forward. So you're going to carry on through your action verbs, yes? Each team taking a step forward, step forward. So in the end, they're going to be really close. You're going to show them the last flashcard. What are you doing? You are swimming. Yes, fantastic. Oh my goodness. And they reach the box. Ta-da! Then you're going to open up the box. What's inside? It's a surprise. You're going to open it up and, oh my goodness me, and you can give them a real surprise with anything that you want. Here I have a really hairy and scary spider that will get them running. But the element is the surprise, whatever you put in the box. Now, the first time you play it, you can put a spider in. The second time you play it, you can't put a spider in because that will become predictable, won't it? But you still want to play the game again. So the second time that you play, you can open that box. Oh my goodness me, what is it? And you can bring out, what is it? Another box. What a surprise. So you're going to play the game once again, get the two teams spreading out. You can practice other language, you can practice emotions, you can practice colours, you can practice food, whatever you want to practice. And they come and open up the next box. And then you open up this box. What is it? It's a surprise. Oh my goodness me. And what is it? Another box. So here you can carry on. You can have a spider, you can put anything that you want, an old boot, anything you want to surprise the students, or keep going through little boxes until you have a very last surprise inside. Now the very last surprise, I'm going to leave it up to you to decide what to put in the box. Let me know in the comments below what you think could be a fun surprise for the very last box that they open up. Okay, so here is a really simple activity that includes 4 elements. 1, elements of surprise, elements of action. Yes, you're having your students up and moving around. Number 3, you're motivating your students using drama and play to learn language in a natural way and practice and review language. And number 4, you're getting your students also collaborating and working as teams. So they're not feeling apprehensive, judged or tested, but they're still getting hooked on learning English. Give it a try. Let me know in the comments below what could be in the final mystery box as a surprise for your students. And until next time, remember, be theatrical.